Hello viewers. Are you looking for the top 5 best portable camping toilets in 2024? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best portable camping toilets 2024. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Westtune Portable Privacy Shower Tent Outdoor Waterproof Changing Room Shelter for Camping, Hiking, Beach, Toilet, Shower, Bathroom. Experience ultimate convenience and privacy with the Westtune Portable Privacy Shower Tent. Perfect for camping, hiking, beach trips, and outdoor adventures, this waterproof changing room shelter ensures you can shower, change clothes, or use the bathroom discreetly. The durable, water-resistant fabric provides reliable protection from the elements, while the spacious interior accommodates your needs comfortably. Easy to set up and take down, the tent features a pop-up design that allows for quick assembly. Its compact and lightweight structure makes it highly portable, fitting seamlessly into your travel gear. Equipped with a sturdy frame and secure anchoring points, it remains stable even in windy conditions. The Westtune Privacy Shower Tent also includes mesh windows for ventilation and a convenient storage pouch for toiletries. Enhance your outdoor experience with this versatile and essential accessory, ensuring privacy and comfort wherever your adventures take you. Number 2. Portable Beach Shower Toilet Changing Tent Sun Rain Shelter Privacy Shelter Tent with window for outdoor camping bathroom. Introducing the Portable Beach Shower Toilet Changing Tent, your ultimate privacy shelter for outdoor adventures. Perfect for camping, beach trips, and festivals, this tent provides a convenient and private space for showering, changing, or using the toilet. Its robust design includes a window for ventilation and a sun and rain-resistant exterior, ensuring comfort in all weather conditions. Lightweight and easy to set up, it folds into a compact size for effortless transport. Enhance your outdoor experience with this versatile and durable privacy shelter, designed to offer comfort and convenience wherever you go. Number 3. Portable Folding Toilet for Outdoor Camping Potty for Adults, Kids, Cover Design Seat Toilet Reusable Toilet for Picnic, Car Travel. The portable folding toilet is an essential for outdoor camping, providing a convenient and hygienic solution for adults and kids alike. Its cover design ensures privacy and cleanliness, making it perfect for picnics, car travel, and other outdoor adventures. This reusable toilet is lightweight and easily foldable, fitting compactly into your gear without taking up much space. The sturdy construction offers reliable support, while the easy-to-clean material ensures maintenance is a breeze. Ideal for family trips, this portable toilet enhances comfort and sanitation, allowing you to enjoy the great outdoors without compromising on convenience. Whether you're hiking, camping, or on a long road trip, the portable folding toilet is your go-to solution for a hassle-free experience. Its user-friendly design makes it a practical choice for all your outdoor needs, ensuring you're always prepared no matter where your adventures take you. Number 4. Nature Hike Black Dog Foldable Camping Portable Toilet Outdoor Equipment's Mobile Toilet for Travel Plastic Storage Box Trash Can. Introducing the Nature Hike Black Dog Foldable Camping Portable Toilet, the ultimate solution for your outdoor sanitation needs. Perfect for camping, hiking, road trips, and any outdoor adventure, this portable toilet combines convenience and durability. Made from high-quality, robust plastic, it ensures stability and long-lasting use. Its foldable design allows for easy storage and transportation, transforming into a compact size that fits neatly into your travel gear. The Nature Hike Black Dog is not just a toilet, it doubles as a storage box and trash can, adding versatility to your outdoor equipment. Setup is a breeze, providing a hygienic and comfortable experience wherever you are. Whether you're deep in the wilderness or at a festival, this mobile toilet is designed to bring you peace of mind and convenience. Make your outdoor adventures more enjoyable with the Nature Hike Black Dog Foldable Camping Portable Toilet, the perfect companion for your travels. Number 5. Portable Folding Toilet for Outdoor Camping Potty for Adults, Kids, Cover Design Seat Toilet Reusable Toilet for Picnic, Car Travel. Introducing the Portable Folding Toilet, your ultimate companion for outdoor camping, picnics, car travel, and more. This innovative design caters to both adults and kids, ensuring a comfortable and hygienic bathroom solution wherever you go. The compact, foldable structure allows for easy storage and transport, fitting seamlessly into your travel gear. Featuring a sturdy, reusable seat with a cover design, It offers a clean and private experience in the great outdoors. The durable materials ensure long-lasting use, making it a sustainable choice for eco-conscious travelers. Whether you're on a family picnic or an extended camping trip, this portable toilet provides convenience and peace of mind. Say goodbye to the stress of finding restrooms on the go and enjoy your adventures with this reliable, easy-to-clean portable folding toilet. It's the perfect blend of practicality and comfort, designed to meet your outdoor sanitation needs.